Well, good evening. Those that been with me already, but I'm preparing to do chicken. What I'm doing, I've been here already about this, but I am stirring up chicken. And I got a food saver. Let me put it down a little bit more. I have a food saver. And then turn the camera a little bit more too, so you can see it. This is my food saver here. And what I'm doing, I see it's yeah, it's pretty. For some reason, it's not sealing. Now, I need to seal the bag and prepare to put chicken in it. And I'm going to freeze it. And the way I put it into here, the way I'm gonna eat it. I'm only going to use 3 chickens at a time. I'm only going to freeze 3 chickens at a time. But you got to make sure they're dry. You can't put this chicken in the freezer and this bag wet because it won't seal. All right? It won't seal. So you got to make sure that the chicken is dry as it go into the bag, because when it sucks the air out the bag, you want to make sure that no water comes through the bag around the edges. It's in the food saver. It's called a food saver. It's going to save your food for you. And I'm using chicken wings, okay? I'm using chicken wings. I'm trying to get it in quick because this particular one won't let me do a whole segment of what I want to do. So, I got to do this quickly. So, I got to make sure the edges are dry. I got to make sure the edges are dry. It sucks all the air out the bag. It sucks all the air out the bag. And that's a good thing about it. It sucks all the air out of the bag.